Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have a question. If x is inversely proportional to y and x is equals to 40 and y is equals to 5, find. In the last exercise we have studied the directly proportional, the two variables which are directly proportional to each other. From this exercise we have inversely relation between the two variables. So have a short discussion upon the directly proportional. Whenever we have discussed in the last exercise that whenever the two variables are directly proportional, we take that, for example, if x is directly proportional to y, we take x is directly proportional to y. It is for directly proportional. But now we have inversely relation. So x and y are, x is inversely proportional to y. So for inversely relation, x will be placed as, the symbol for the inversely proportional is x is inversely proportional to y. Whenever the variable is in denominator or 1 upon y, it is said that x is inversely proportional to y. हमें डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल के लिए जो लिखने का तरीका है वो x इज़ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू y, सिंबल वही रहता है लेकिन वेरिएबल को 1 अपॉन में करके इन्वर्स करके लिखा जाता है तो वो इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल आ जाता है. x इज़ इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू y और इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल को लिखने का तरीका है x इज़ साइन वही आएगा, 1 अपॉन y आ जाएगा, तो x और y आपस में इन्वर्सली रिलेटेड हो जाएंगे. ये आपके पास इन्वर्सली रिलेटेड. अच्छा, डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल में हमारे पास ये होता है कि दो वेरिएबल्स जो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल हैं वो दोनों वेरिएबल्स हमारे पास इस तरह होते हैं कि अगर एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू इंक्रीज़ होगी तो दूसरे वेरिएबल की वैल्यू भी इंक्रीज़ होगी. लेकिन ये डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल में. इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल में हमारे पास ये होता है कि अगर एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू इंक्रीज़ होगी तो दूसरे वेरिएबल की वैल्यू डिक्रीज़ हो रही होगी. अगर एक की डिक्रीज़ हो रही होगी तो दूसरे की इंक्रीज़ हो रही होगी. इट इज़ सेड इन्वर्सली रिलेटेड. So in this question, x is inversely related to y. So it means that whenever the value of the x is increased, the value of the y is decreased. Whenever the value of x is decreased, the value of x will be increased. So मैं यहाँ पे जो इन्वर्सली रिलेटेड है उसको कन्वर्ट कर देता हूँ इक्वालिटी में, तो सिंबल हटेगा, इक्वालिटी आ जाएगा और k into 1 upon y. Now it will be x is equals to k upon y. So this is the equation. Now we have to find the value of k. To find the value of k, we have x is equals to 40 and y is equals to 5. When x is equals to 40, when x is 40, at that time y is 5. So by putting the value, we will find the value of k. X is 40, k upon 5. So 40 into 5 is equals to k. So the value of k will be 5 to the 10, 5 for the 20 is 200. The value of k will be 200. The value of k will be 200. So the equation will be, in the second part, an equation connecting x and y. So first we are doing the second part. In the second part we have to find the equation connecting x and y. So equation will be x is equals to 200 upon y. So this is the equation which is connecting x and y. Now we will do the first part. In the first part they are saying that you have to find the value of x. You have to find the value of x when y is equals to 25. So using the equation is x is equals to 200 upon y. So we have to find the value of x, 200 upon 25. So 25 8s are 200. 8 times is 200. So the value of x will be 8. Now in the third part we have to find the value of y when the value of x is 400. So using the equation, x is equals to 200 upon y. X, the value of x is 200, is equals to 400 is equals to 200 upon y. So y will be 200 upon 400. So the value of y will be 1/2, or 1/2 is 0.5, means that the value of y will be 0.5 when x is 400. So this is the question. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.